On the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to build this folding table that I used some old materials for our tiny home. The tools I have used was a router, a circular saw, and also a drill. I have also used a sander, but I did not show there. And here are some shelf foldable brackets. They're with a locking system. I purchased them from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you can purchase them for yourself if you want to build the same table. Really easy to install and very good quality as well. Very happy with it. To start the process, what I did, I went to the marketplace and I bought an older table for a very cheap price. You can even get some for free if you're lucky. So first thing, I cut it to the size I wanted. I didn't want it to be too big, too wide, because the tiny home is narrow, so I wanted to make it enough for 4 people to sit. Once the table was the size that I wanted, I took the freezer and I rounded the edges a little bit. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. The reason I chose to do so, first of all, I have the tool, so I could use it. Also, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below for this tool if you wanna get one. It's really, really good. You can use it for so many things. And I thought just like it looks nicer, in my opinion, when the edges are a bit round. So I went and did it all around the table. Of course, you have to clean up after your mess. I hate work when it's full of dust and things around. It makes it much more difficult. So I like, as I work, I clean around. Once that was done, I hit the sander for a nice and smooth finish. And then I chose to go with oil instead of staining the table. I thought it gave like a very smooth finishing, and also I like the color of this wood, so I decided to go with this one. I did one layer, let it cure for a day, and then next day I did another one, which with much less oil on the second one. And of course, after a couple of months, I'm sure I'm gonna have to do it again. The wood is gonna suck a lot of the oil. Once that was done, I went and marked the brackets on the wall of the tiny home. I tried to find the studs, so I placed each bracket in one of the studs so it gets stronger for the table. I got the screws and the washers that came also with those brackets that I got from Amazon. They're all included in the package, so it's really easy to install. You see the tiny home is not so wide, so if the table was wider, once the table is open, then it takes all the space. Then I placed the table on top of the brackets, measured the sides to make sure that everything was centered. Then it's just a screw from underneath. It is a total of 6 screws on each of the brackets. 6 on the table, 3 on the table, 3 on the wall. So I think the table is pretty solid. It was really easy to build this table. I really like those brackets. They have the locking system, which is easy to lift the table. They lock into place straight away. And also when you want to fold the table down, is also quite simple. I will leave the link in the description with the brackets, also the tools that I have used. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you in the next one.